Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nisha Aratalins, and let me share with you some important facts about Jimenez Misamis Occidental. The municipality of Jimenez is one of the 9 original towns of Misamis Occidental. Legislatively Act No. 3537, passed on November 2, 1929, divided the old province of Misamis into Misamis Occidental and Misamis Oriental. The Occidental comprised the original 9 towns of Baliangao, Lopez Haina, Tudela, Clarin, Plaridel, Oroqueta, Aloran, Jimenez, and Misamis. The original municipalities of the province of Misamis Occidental grew into the present 3 cities of Osamis, Oroqueta, and Tangub, and the 14 municipalities of Aloran, Baliangao, Bonifacio, Calamba, Clarin, Concepcion, Don Victoriano, Jimenez, Lopez Haina, Panaon, Plaridel, Sapang Dalaga, Sinacaban, and Toledo, with the total of 490 barangays. Today, Jimenez is one of the fast-growing towns in Misamis Occidental. Now, let me tell you something about the best-preserved church complex in the province, the San Juan Bautista Church. It was built in 19th century by the Agustinian Recollects. According to the National Commission for Culture and Arts, or NCCA, it has retained its original clock metal works and painting. It adds that the ceiling of the painted canvas, which was installed in 1898, actually concealed an earlier mural painted directly on the wooden ceiling. The painting on the church ceiling is just so breathtaking. The church in Jimenez is just one of the very few churches of outstanding value in Mindanao. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit Jimenez Misamis Occidental to discover more about this province.